On 8th March, we celebrate 50 years of International Women's Day. It's a milestone on the global part of gender equality. Many in India are also trying to drive this movement for the gender equality. One such influential name is Mrs. Naina Sahasrabuddhe. She is Vice President of Bharatiya Stree Shakti, which is All India Women's Organization. She, along with other members of the Bharatiya Stree Shakti, will participate in the UNCSW, that is United Nations Commission on Status of Women. This conference will be held in New York from 10th March to 21st March. Ma'am, first of all, welcome to Lokmat Times. Thanks for speaking to us. So you will be participating in this conference, and we are celebrating 50 years of Women's Day. So what is the significance and what kind of issues will be presented in this particular conference?
We from Bharatiya Stree Shakti, some 10 delegates are participating in UN CSW 69th session. And this year is very important and pertinent because we are celebrating 50 years of first International Women's Day, which was celebrated on 8th March 1975. And also this conference is a review conference, and there will be a review will be taken of the Beijing conference, a World Women Conference, which was held in 1995. So 3 decades are over now, and there were 12 areas of concern about the women in that health, education, conflict resolution, climate change, peace, and there are so many other areas which were demarcated for the development of women in this Beijing conference. So it will be a review of both the things, and in last 5 decades and 3 decades of Beijing conference, how much we have gone forward towards gender equality all over the world.
Ma'am, this year you are also hosting one event that is changing the gears from women's empowerment to educating men for change. So what kind of theme is this and how interesting is it?
We are working in Bharatiya Stree Shakti since 1988, and we have crossed a huge distance, and we have come forward in gender equality, no doubt. Even society is changing, families are changing, men are changing. But still, we have not achieved the SDG 5 gender equality in absolute terms, and there are so many reasons for that. And we in Bharatiya Stree Shakti are experiencing that women have changed themselves a lot. They are marching forward, but men are not changing with that pace. So changing the mentalities of men is very important. So for gender equality and achieving SDG 5 gender equality by 2030, because it is a global agenda that we have to acquire that goal by 2030.
How many delegates will participate in this whole conference, and what kind of events are planned?
Almost 15,000 plus delegates are participating in CSW 69 all over the world. They are coming from all regions, all nations, those who are on the earth. So they are coming. 5,000 plus NGOs are participating in this huge event, and the event is organized and arranged by United Nations Women Sector, and UN Women is secretariat for this event.
Ma'am, every year we celebrate this Women's Day, but is the world order changing? Like, are we inclined more towards the women's issue? Is the implementation of those women empowerment things happening in the whole United Nations session?
In United Nations sessions, there happen so many things. But if we look at the huge span of 5 decades after celebration of first International Day, we can understand that there are so many researches being done on the status of women. In India also, status of women report was done by Government of India few years back, some 35 years back, and the social organization Drishti Women's Study Center, which belongs to Pune, 3 years back they have done a huge research project on status of women in India. This is a case of India, but all over the world, UN Women and United Nations other chapters are researching on women issues and trying to find out the solutions for that. Policies are being designed. Many mechanisms are being created, like National Commission for Women, yes, Commission for Status on Women. There are so many mechanisms being developed all over the world.
If we talk about the real issues, like is the UN Women Cell concentrating on the Afghanistan issue? Like, for example, many people, Afghanistan is under the Taliban regime, so suppression is going on. So are the policies going to be framed according to this real issues?
Actually, these are all diplomatic issues, and all such issues are being taken care of at the international forums many times. So Afghanistan issue may be taken conflict resolution, because there are so many areas in which we are experiencing a warfare.
Yes.
So those issues are also will be discussed there, because some nations like Ukraine, they have organized their own events about that status of women and status during the warfare, status of women and children in these times. These issues are being discussed on the international forum.
Ma'am, you will be going to the United Nations, but our Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar, last year he told that UN needs to revamp itself. It's like an old company. So do you think some measures should be taken to revolutionize the United Nations?
I'm not the expert of diplomacy and all these things, so I will not comment on that. But all over the world order, when it is changing, every institution has to change. So as Jaishankar ji has mentioned, there must be some efforts being taken all over the world.
Now you are going to the United Nations. So how do you plan to reach to all those women who are in the remotest regions of the whole world, and how do you plan to empower them, give them the hope ray of?
We are 10 delegates from Bharatiya Stri Shakti, and we will be trying to attend different sessions during this 2-week conference, so we can get perspective of other nations, other NGOs and that, and we can say something about India, about Bharatiya Stri Shakti, about the facts of about Indian women, because Indian women are achieving heights in last 50 years. They have developed themselves in big way. They are in sports, they are in technology, they are in defense. Everywhere Indian women are working, Indian women are participating, and I believe they have feminine qualities in them, and if they develop their qualities and confidence about their qualities, they can achieve so many big things, milestones in their life.
Any particular experience that you have encountered ki this woman was suppressed and her family used to treat her badly, or for example this woman was encouraged by her family? So any particular incidents or experience?
We are running counseling centers through Bharatiya Stri Shakti, and there are lot many experiences how we could change the mindset of the family, because in our counseling center also we accept complaint from a woman, but we try to counsel the whole family and try to bring together, try to resolve the issues which are sometimes there are minor issues. Because of that, man and woman come that we want to divorce, we want to separate, but after showing a mirror to them ki this is not a case, or whatever you are thinking, you can think differently, the families are coming together. So that one experience is there. When we talk about self-help groups and when we work in rural areas, we find the leadership is developing like anything, and women are coming faster. They are representing themselves in Gram Panchayat, in local governance and everywhere. So there are many experiences, and women how they are marching. So we are happy that we can handhold with the women and to resolve their issues.